Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? This is very emergency video for Cardano holder. If you are not a Cardano holder, then absolutely skip this video. This is not for you. So this is technical analysis of Cardano, guys. Today video is very special gone, so don't skip this video and keep watching my brother. Absolutely gone, very informative. So let's get started this brilliant video. Before I get started this brilliant video, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel. I hope you subscribe it. Please subscribe this channel, give you a very informative video of all cryptocurrencies. So I hope you subscribe it. Thank you so much for subscribe, brothers. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so let's start this brand video. Guys, this is emergency video, and this is one big reason to this is emergency. Absolutely, this is one reason. If you can see here, if you note this, all cryptocurrencies goes down and those days. Can you note this? Please, can you notice? Also just focus on this video. Absolutely, this is emergency video and very special. Can you note this? All cryptocurrencies goes down in those days, but Cardano, absolutely, Cardano is also goes down in just in a few days. But today Cardano starting absolutely mind-blowing, jumping, and today and last 24-hour result which I see, absolutely I noted to Cardano going up like a rocket. Cardano starting goes up. This is absolutely good result. You can see here plus 2.38% going up. So this is absolutely a good news. And this is morning time today. I hope at the mid of this day, at the end of this day, I hope they can cross just 10x. I hope easily they can cross it. This is 10% going up. So absolutely, what you say to Cardano going up like a rocket, what we do, and those days what we do. So this is absolutely a very important question for Cardano holder. So I explained it in this video, but this time I gonna show you the last 1 hour result, guys. Let's check it out, the last 1 hour result to what's going on. Okay, so absolutely the last 1 hour result is zero chance. You can see here absolutely zero chance. 0% chance is absolutely not bad. If you can see here, all cryptocurrency is in the minus. So but Cardano is not and zero, it's not and minus. Absolutely, as if this is a zero, then absolutely this is the very fastest cryptocurrency. This is very good. Cardano holder, absolutely this time good to just buy it. My opinion, as if you have any plan to buy Cardano coin, then absolutely today is a good day for buying. So absolutely buy and hold and wait for the end of this month. I hope Cardano give you a very highest price. You can see here, I hope $2 they can easily cross it at the end of this month. You can see here, after I see this result and just a few days they can here as $1.17, but today you can see here 1.21 they changed it. Absolutely the price is going up. So wait for the end of this month, guys. Buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they can give you a good profit. So congratulations, Cardano going up like a rocket. This is emergency news for my brothers. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, just complete 100 like in this video and complete my 3000 subscriber. Please, I hope you complete it. And this is absolutely, press the bell icon for videos notification. Absolutely, this channel give you a very informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.